Okay, class, picking up where we left off at. It says number 7, use the loan calculator to find the payment on this car. Print out the entire page that you are given. Record the monthly payment here. You do not have to give me all of those pages that you would get. All I would need is just the first page that actually shows the payment. So what we would do is this here. The car was, let's go back here, $14,595. So we will go back here to this calculator, and we would do $14,595 over 5 years, 4.7% interest, and press calculate. And it give you $273.42. So $273.42. That will be your payment. Now it says calculate the total monthly expenses related to the car, including payments, insurance, and fuel. So the payment is $273.42. Now the insurance and fuel, we could go back up here. I believe it was $225. Yes. The insurance and fuel was $225. And just to show you this, just to do this correctly, you will go back to your number 2 and add these two values together to get your other expense. And then you will come down here and you will add the 225 to the 273. So it's $498.42. This is how much you would pay per month for the car. Okay, now we go to the last set, the last 2 pages. It says fill in the values in the table below from your previous calculations. So basically they want us to fill in part 1 number 8, part 2 number 8, and part 3 number 8. Okay, class, I took the liberty of listing all of the numbers here. You would just go back to your part 1 number 8, part 2 number 8, and part 3 number 8. And then what you would need to do, you need to add all of these values together. So you will have a total of how much your expenses are. So we have $5,209.17 plus $857.75 plus $498.42. Now you can write this off to the side because you're actually not going to need this until the next page, but it's good to have it anyway. So it's 65, 65, 34. Okay, now we go here to number 2. There are many things you will need as you start off in your new job, such as life insurance, retirement savings, heating and water, fuel, food, etc. Research on the web to find estimates for these values and enter them into the table as well. Okay, so food is an extra. Let's just say that for food you find that you need $150 a month. Electricity, let's say if you stay in an apartment, well, let's just say with your house is $80 since you will hardly be there since you just started to work. Communication, phone, TV, and internet, we can say that'll be about $200. Student loan payments, if you don't have any, don't worry about it. Retirement savings, I just say, let's just say I want to save $200 a month. And then let's say for the student loan payment, I have to do $150. Now, what I want to do is add all these values up. And that will give me 150, 80, 200, 150, and another 200. So that would be $780. So I just put this here. Now it says for each item in the extras list, explain how you arrived at the value you chose to put in the chart. List the websites to come up with your estimates or include a printout of the information. Now what you could do here is you can list the websites that you had and I'll just say www.onelifetolive.com. And please don't go here. I don't know what this leads to. I just threw this up here. So it's so I just threw the website up here. You can throw up all of your websites. Okay, so now, number 4, give me your entries in the tables above. How much money will be left at the end of the month from your paycheck? Now, your monthly income was $5,209.17. Minus your monthly expenses. Now, your monthly expenses is actually, we go back up here, is actually the $6,565.34 and the $780 for your additional expenses. So we would add those two together. That would give us $7,345.30. Oh, wait a minute. You know what? Actually, this was incorrect. This shouldn't be here. Actually, what you needed to add together was the expenses, not your monthly income. The expenses, you should add the $857.75 and the $498.42. And that would give you the $1,356.17. And then you would add that to $780. And that will give you your monthly expenses. So that would give you $2,136.17. $2,136.17. So this would be $2,136.17. And now you would subtract it. So you would take the $5,209.17 minus the $2,136.17. And that would give you $3,073. That's how much money you will have left over per month after paying all of your expenses. Now with this reflection, this will be your personal reflection. You need to read and answer those on your own. So those will be like the last 3 problems. And that is basically it for the project. So please make sure you answer those reflection questions, because they are worth quite a bit of points.